I found a new method where you can earn thousands of dollars from Pinterest. And wait, this video is completely different from my previous video, where I showed a new earning method from Pinterest plus Amazon affiliate marketing. If you have not watched that video, so click here and watch it. So for this method, we need to find a trending niche by going over to Trends, Pinterest.com, because over there I can actually research different keywords, so you can search for a keyboard over here. Maybe you found some trending product on TikTok or on Amazon, or you just had an idea. So let's say, for example, you're really into gardening. You can now start typing over here gardening, and it's going to show you all of these different keywords. And on the right-hand side, it's going to show you how trending that is right now. So we can see that gardening isn't a good idea as of right now. So I just kept searching for different things. And so when I started typing home decor, something that I really like and enjoy, I started typing home. And then I saw that this keyword home inspiration actually is booming right now. There's a lot of people searching for it on Pinterest now to research my idea further. I just went back to Pinterest and I just searched for home inspiration, or in this case, home inspo. And then we can see all of these different pins and whether they're getting any traffic or not. So we can see that this pin over here has been posted by Love That Design, and they have 26000 plus followers, and they're actually getting more than 9 lakhs views per month. So an account like this could be easily making at least $10,000 a month. And I want to show you how you can legally copy and paste someone else's images, post them in your Pinterest account like this, and make money from it. Grow the Pinterest account from scratch. And also monetize it in different ways, so that you don't actually the camera for this. You don't need to spend any money to create content. You can literally copy and paste free content in the next 10 minutes. And I will show you exactly how it works now. First things first, every Pinterest account, including this one over here, has a banner, has logo, that name, and then the bio of the account that represents what the account is about. And you also want to stick to only one particular niche, so that's why you want to use trends on Pinterest to see which niche is going to be good, and then just dive straight into that one, and don't get your focus divided into all of these different niches. In other words, don't let the woman in the red dress distract you. But anyways, now we're going to create a banner. So what you want to do is you want to go over to Canva.com, which is a free graphic design tool. And if you serve for banners or even for Pinterest banners, you can find a lot of different templates to choose from. And this is honestly kind of like a fun part, because now you can just go through the different templates, find something you like. Let's say I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to click on Customize this template, and I can fully change it, so I can change this text over here. And I'm going to call my page Text Design. So I just want to add a headline over here that represents exactly what my page is actually about, and you can fully customize the fonts. The colors, the entire template is fully customizable. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm also not going to be promoting any website for now. If you have a website to promote, you can of course add that and just fully customize this as you prefer. On the left side, I can search for home decoration. I will find some very interesting images, and I will just drag and drop that. All of these images from Canva are completely free to use. So I'm just going to drop it like this. And then I'm going to click on the share button, download, and download as a PNG file. Now we can also generate a logo with Canva by simply typing in logo design over here. And we can find all sorts of different suggested templates, and then just pick whatever you prefer, and then just customize it. So I'm going to call it the text design, and this is how the logo is going to look like. Pretty simple. I'm going to download it to my computer by selecting only this one page. I don't want to download all of them. And now I have a logo, and I also have a banner. Now you will simply go over to your profile. You will click on Edit Profile. You will change the profile picture. In this case, I'm just going to add the logo which I generated with Canva for free. Then I'm going to change the name, and in the name itself you want to make sure that you do have the keyword that you're trying to rank for. So in this case, I'm going to call my store Text Designs, but I'm also going to add home decoration or home inspiration, whatever the keyword is trending right now. And then, for the About section, I will just simply ask ChatGPT to write me a 200 characters bio for my Pinterest account. That also includes a hashtag that I can use. A relevant hashtag is hopeful, going to help me rank higher on here. Now this is how my profile looks, so that we can start making money with affiliate marketing now. To find content for your Pinterest account, you can simply go over to TikTok or Instagram or any other social media platform and just find an influencer that is already posting in that niche. So here's one Pinterest account that is just re-uploading TikTok and getting millions of views a month. And as you can see, he's just crediting the TikTok user in the description of this post. And you can see that they do get 5.8 million monthly views, which is insane. And they're literally just re-uploading TikToks. So they attract all of these people interested in woodworking, so that they can promote something on their page. This is a great account that I found that is in the home decor and home inspiration niche. And all I gotta do is just hover my mouse over these posts, and I just want to see which one of these is getting more engagement, it's getting more likes, comments, and just overall looks better than others. And here we have it. You can see that all these posts have about 100 likes or 50 likes. But this post over here particularly has 1124 likes. So what we can do is we can copy the image of this post, which already has higher engagement than this Instagram account. And now I can paste it into SaveInsta.app free website, where I can just download these images to my computer for free with no watermarks. And then I can go back to my account in Pinterest, and then I can click on Create a Pin. So we want to create a pin. You want to click here to upload that image. You want to add a title. You want to add what the pin is about, and you can also use ChatGPT for this. You can ask it to generate a description for your pins, but most importantly, want to credit the person from whom you actually got the post. So in this case, I'm just going to copy the username of this account, and I can even tag them here in Pinterest now for the destination link. This is where you actually make money from your pins. Here is a very creative idea. So there is a website called Kit.co, where you can create a kit with literally any type of products that you don't even own yourself. Those are like different affiliate links that you can add to your own store, to your own kit. And let me show you what that means. So you can just click on the class icon over here. You can click and create a kit. And in this case, I want to create a cozy room kit. So in this store that I'm creating with products that I don't own, I'm just going to add different things that I believe someone who wants to have this type of room would need to buy. So I can literally search for cozy or room decor. And I can start adding different products you just search for that you click on ADD, and that product is going to be added to your store. So if someone goes to your store, they can buy multiple products again. I search for like cozy room decor. Or if you recognize some of the items from the picture what you've gotten, then just search for it here in Kit.co, and then just add that with one press of a button. So I'm going to add this to my kit. You want to add at least 5 to 10 different products for this to actually make sense. And if you think about it, someone who is searching for home decor and home inspiration on Pinterest, they are looking for inspiration of what they can do with their room and when they're in their home. So when they open this up, it's going to be very handy for them. It's going to be very useful for them to have a link with. They can just click and buy all of the products, and we are helping them with exactly that. And that's why this actually makes money. That's how you're providing value, helping these people and making money along the way. So you can now copy the link to share for this store for this kit that you made. And then you can just paste destination link here. And you can click on save. You can also create a board specifically for, let's say, cozy rooms, and then click on create, make sure this is a public bow, and then just click share and save this to your Pinterest account. So that was my first pin on this account. This is how that looks like. As of right now, someone can see this. They can click on this link, which is going to redirect them to the store where they can purchase the items from the actual image, and I'm going to earn affiliate commissions because all of these are connected to Amazon. So if you have an Amazon Associates account, you can earn affiliate commissions just like that. To see more free tutorials, just like this one, make sure to our channel Learn in Tech. And if you still have not watched that video, so click here to watch. And if you want to earn money from only promoting Amazon products and making AI-generated ads for them and earn thousands of dollars, so click the video, which is I on the right. See you in the next video. Bye.